Hi guys, welcome back. Last time we learned about how to say hello and what is in Korean. This time we're going to learn more vocabularies and how to say where is. 안녕하세요. 이제 한국어 공부 시작해요. First word is 사과. 사과 is an apple. Next word is 딸기. 딸기 is a strawberry. And 빵 is bread. 우유, milk. 주스, juice. 강아지, puppy. 곰, bear. 사자, lion. 고양이, cat. 문법 및 표현, grammar and expression. 이게 사과예요? Is this an apple? 네, 사과예요. 네, 사과예요. Yes, it is an apple. 이거 사자예요? Is this a lion? 아니요, 곰이에요. 아니요, it's no. 곰이에요. It is a bear. 뭐예요? What is it? 얘기해 보세요. Please share with your friends. 이게 딸기예요? Is this strawberry? 네, 딸기예요. Yes, it's a strawberry. 이게 토끼예요? Is this a rabbit? 아니요, 강아지예요. No, it's a dog. 아니요, 강아지예요. Good job. We're moving on to how to say where is in Korean. 여기가 어디예요? Where is this place? 여기가 어디예요? Where is this place? 수영장이에요. It's a swimming pool. 학교가 어디예요? 학교 is a school. 어디예요? Where is? Where is a school? 저기예요. It means it's over there. Let's learn more about vocab. 어휘. 학교, school. 집, house. 공원, park. 수영장, swimming pool. 교실, classroom. 동물원, zoo. 집이 어디예요? 집 is home. So 집이 어디예요? means where is your home? 여기예요. 여기 means here. 에요 is just it is. It is here. 학교가 어디예요? 학교 is school. 어디예요? Where is? Where is the school? 저기예요. 저기 means there. 에요 is it is. It is over there. 어디예요? Where is this? / that place? 맞는 것에 동그라미 표하세요. Mark the correct answer. First one, 동물원. Yes, 동물원 is the first one. Next question. 공원. Yes, 공원 is this one. 교실 is the classroom. And 학교 Yes, 학교 is the first one. Good job, guys. Today we learned about how to say where is, and we learned more about the vocabularies. 오늘 저희는 한국말로 어떻게 어디에요? 를 말하는지랑 단어들을 배웠어요. 다음 시간에 또 같이 공부해요. 고마워요. 다음에 봐요.